It turns out that you guys love to see popping associated with the ear. So today we're going to look at the top 5 ear blackheads in YouTube history. Number 4 appears to be a dilated pore. A dilated pore is somewhere between a blackhead and an epidermoid cyst. This one's been played all over the internet, so I'm sure you've seen it before, but it's a tremendous large pore. And our number 1 comes to us from Reddit. This is an incredible ear blackhead. It may even be a dilated pore. What do you think? Go ahead and leave your comments below.
I would like to tell you about Rest More, an all-natural sleep aid designed to help you fall asleep and stay asleep. If you're looking for a great natural way to get better quality sleep, please visit buyrestmore.com. Thanks for watching. There's an Amazon link below.
Restmore is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Restmore. Now available on Amazon. Good night. Don't forget, if you like our content, then also check us out on Roku and Facebook. We'll put links below. Just check the description for links to our Facebook and Roku channels.